If you're experiencing issues with FIFA 24 updates getting stuck, you can follow these steps to disable the update process. This guide will help you manage the situation effectively. Step 1. Access settings. Navigate to the settings menu on your gaming console or PC. Look for the option related to updates or downloads. Step 2. Disable automatic updates. Find the section that allows you to manage automatic updates. Disable the automatic update feature to prevent FIFA 24 from attempting to update in the background. Step 3. Clear cache. If you're on a console, clear the cache by turning off the device, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then restarting. For PC, you can clear the cache through the game launcher settings. Step 4. Pause the update. If the update is currently in progress, locate the update in your downloads section and select the option to pause or cancel it. This will stop the update from continuing. Step 5. Restart the game. After making these changes, restart FIFA 24. This should allow you to play without the update being stuck. By following these steps, you should be able to disable the stuck update and enjoy your game without interruptions. If issues persist, consider checking for further support from the game's official help resources.